Hey guys, thanks for coming to Draw with Mom. Today I'm going to draw a turtle. Okay, grab that marker, let's get started. We're going to start with a long neck leading up to the head. So we're going to come up, 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 and then around to right about there. We're going to do the mouth. We're going to come in a little bit and do the underside of the mouth and come down, down, down to do the neck. All right, now we're going to put in that shell. So we're going to come up and down just like that. Meet right back at the other side. I'm going to put in a little detail under that shell, just like that. And then we're going to come in and do his little tail out the back and a couple little feet. 1 and 2. Okay, we're going to go in and draw just a little nostril, so you can just do a dot for that. And then we're going to just do, I want to do a really big eye on this little guy. Okay, now we're going to go in and draw that pattern on the turtle. And this can just kind of be a bunch of random kind of roundish shapes. I don't think any one turtle shell is the same as the next. And just keep coming around. And just keep coming as you're coming in. Round and around. Just like that. And we'll do one more. And one more right in the middle. Okay, there is our turtle. I think I'm going to put a little smile on him, and then we're going to draw in the ground. Because the little turtle needs somewhere to walk. Okay, I think we are ready to start coloring, so grab your crayons and let's go. Okay guys, there he is. There's our cute little turtle. Yay! Thanks for watching today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Draw with Mom, and check me out on Instagram. See you next time.